So yesterday we looked at these earbuds from Sony. If I can figure out where I put them, they were the Link Buds Fit. These are them right here, right? Come with this cool little case. The different colors. The case by itself is like a white with a marble on it. Sound quality, awesome, super good, comfortable, fit your ears really nice. Today we're looking at their other new Link Buds that have come out. These are the Link Buds Open, and just like the Link Buds Fit, you can get all these different case color options, as well as the actual earbud covers. Can get all these cool little colors depending on what you want, and we'll show you those. We'll show you one of them. These ones looks like they come in black, which is kind of nice. The other ones were white, but they came with a black cover. These ones, though, my guess is, same idea. You can download the manual. You can download their app, which you kind of need, and then you wear them. That's really it. You wear them, and inside the box here, you are going to get a USB-C cable and manual right there, right? Small, but that's what companies are doing now with headphones. They give you small cables, little cables, and that's it. Well, these ones you don't get tips like the other ones do, but I don't think these ones required. And if you look at the actual case, pretty much the same. Now, this one may look a little bigger, but it probably also just looks bigger because it has this extra rubber case on it. So if you took these out, they're close. These ones maybe a smidgen smaller, maybe, which I'm actually a little surprised at. Anyways, these are the Link Buds Open, and I kind of am interested to see these because a lot more companies are starting to do these little open earbuds. So before we actually open that up, we are going to bring up my Bluetooth here because you need to connect them via Bluetooth first and make sure nothing else is connected. We're good. These should automatically start their pairing section as soon as I pop them out. So we'll take these. And as far as I can tell, these little round parts go in your ear, like so, like this. Is my guess, like that. Well, those are, number one, those are pretty comfy. I don't know if they look goofy, right? I don't know. What do you think? Right? They're in there. And Link Buds Open. All right. We're in Link Buds Open. Okay. There it is. I think we're connected. And all we have to do now is bring up the sound, right? It's looking for those. I'm going to switch devices. It says my battery is low, but that's okay. This is the one. Link Buds Open. Yep. Next. Okay. You could optimize the app if you are going to be doing any of this 360 audio. I don't have anything that has 360 audio, so I'm going to skip this, but you can do this now, or you can do it in the app. I'm going to say later. And setup complete. Go to it, right? It says just go. And there they are. Software update are available for the following. So you can click on these, I guess, and do a latest software versions are available for the following devices. Okay. So I can say use voice assistant, which will bring up Alexa. And again, you can get this to work. It's hard to get it to function when you actually have an Alexa right there. She's talking right now. Anyways, I shouldn't have to, because when I say do anything, she talks. So this should work when you're elsewhere. Next, things to try. Yeah, launch. I'll just go through this real quick, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah. So it says we're good. Okay. So same idea. I have the Link Buds Open. Yes, unknown song it says. Let's just play. I'm curious. So first off, is that it's different. I have to say I want to make sure, like, I'm pretty sure these are in right. Like, right? Now, the other Link Buds, definitely louder, for sure. But I think for people that, maybe their ears the other ones are bigger, right? They're bigger earbuds. And because they have the different size tips in that, you can get them to fit better. These ones, like, I got them cranked right all the way up. And if I go to like a different song, it's good. I can turn my equalizer on, right? And just kind of go into like a vocal boost or a bass boost, right? And you can hear the difference. It's not near as profound as the other ones are. Yeah, like they're up all the way. Quite a bit quieter. At least I find. So they're in there. They're in. That's it. This goes in like so. And again, they're not like, oops, they're not loud, at least I don't find them too loud. They're okay loud, but the other ones were like fantastically loud. But I have to say, I think for a lot of people, these would just be like really comfortable, right? Like they're probably more comfortable. So if we came in here, for instance, went to device settings, you do have same kind of thing, right? Equalizer, background music effects. The other one definitely has more features to it in regards to like noise canceling and things like that, right? You do have a speak to chat. You have a background music effect, right? If you want to turn that on, right? You turn that on and get these different kind of room sounds. Like this is cafe. If you wanted that, you could find your equalizer, so you could start, right? Hit next, and it'll actually feel the different sound. Select the sound that suits your preference. Those are just presets. I think 3. That's kind of neat. So you can kind of go through all these and kind of figure out exactly what you want, and then next, and it creates your own equalizer. Yeah, that's neat. That's kind of cool. Anyways, you know what? These ones are, I think these ones would be more comfortable for a lot of people, right? For me, I like the volume better of the other one. So preference, I think again, anything with the open, I find the sound is never quite as good because you just got there's a lot of empty space in your ears. So make sure if you're looking between the two link buds, if you want volume and punch and all that, get the Fit. The Fit loud, sound great. These ones though, probably a bit more comfortable. So if you're just wearing them for, around the house music and stuff like that, I'd probably say these ones not too bad. I'd like to see them possibly be a little louder, but again, I think that's hard nowadays because it's just the technology for that's open is, I don't know if it's just there, and it's really dependent on your ear, right? Just how it fits in your ear. So that would be something in the future. In regards to the case, just so you guys can see it, I'll choose like the blue one here because the blue is pretty. And you can do it the same with the actual earbuds themselves, but you'll see that you can get these cool just a little case that you can get, right? So the case allows you to change the look, the appearance. You get this little keychain thing that kind of is there as well. I'll just pop that out right there. Just throw those over there. And then you'll have the top. You can kind of tell which one's the top because it doesn't have the USB. So there's your top. There is your bottom right there, right? And I think I opened the wrong one. Yeah. See, these are bigger. Yeah, don't put those ones on. They don't quite fit right. Anyways, let's try that again. We'll do the blue. Too much stuff on the table. That's what it is. And click, click, click. Barber trick. We have this out, so we're good. Anyways, same idea. This one's going to go on the top, so just find the USB port, right? That's going to slide on there. Slides on nice and snug. Same idea here. This one goes on the bottom. Same deal. Just kind of sits in there, so it's nice. You got a nice blue now, and then you can use your little thing here. They're small, right? They're so small. And if you look at the other ones too, I don't have the case on it, but yeah, they're so tiny. I like these ones. I like the fits, but these ones are definitely like super comfortable. So I guess it depends. You want better sound, more punch, more bass, go with the actual fits. If you want comfort and you don't mind the volume not being as loud, and it really, I think on these ones especially, they got to fit your ears right. Then you could try out these ones, right? What are they called? The opens. Anyways, very cool, and I want to thank Sony for sending these to us. I got some cool options for changing colors to fit my look of the day, and that's it. I'll leave links down to where you can pick these up if you're interested, and I will see you guys next video. Later.